Peace Day, Chicago. It's just starting now. Here we are. Yeah, noisy. This is Chicago. This is Chicago. Okay, here we are. Our beautiful girls. ወይኒ አላይ ናጽነት ገብረ እግዚአብሔር representing us today.
Before we move on, I'd like to say thank you to the many individuals, groups, and businesses that have offered greatly needed financial support for Peace Day. With special thanks to the Rotary Club of the Chicagoland area. We also thank a huge number of volunteers who put this massive event together. Let's give a hand clap for the volunteers. Thank you. And now it's time to begin the meeting of honorary co-chairs of the Chicago Build the Peace Committee. Starting with CEO of Chicago Public Schools, Pedro Martinez. We have a change in the agenda. Forgive me. Let's give some appreciation to the Chicago Council of Corps students. Let's see your posters and flags and hold them up high. It's only right that we meet these diplomats and see these flags because peace is being celebrated around the world right now. Thanks to the United Nations International Day of Peace. We are grateful to Master Kim's late father, who was the inspiration behind Peace Day Chicago 45 years ago. That was several years before the UN's Day of Peace was even established. We collaborate with the International Day of Peace this year, and the UN's Peace Day theme is Actions for Peace, our ambition for global goals. Master Kim shared an action for peace that all of us can easily do every day. Inhale world, exhale peace. We hope you've all had the chance to visit our resource tables right over here in this.
Thank you. Now I saw a lot of posters. So raise your poster. Go ahead, raise your posters. Raise your posters. Higher, higher, up high. Yes. Then say world peace.
World peace.
One more time. Say world peace.
World peace.
Good. Thank you.
Into the ceremony of peace. Now, we'll be doing a call and response. I name the country, you answer back. Peace in that country. We're going to do a practice right now. You guys ready back there? Practice. Zimbabwe.
Peace in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, that's it. I want every voice. I want every voice on this plaza. Let's begin by honoring the United Nations flag. That will be leading the flags around the plaza. Let's say together, peace in the United Nations.
Peace in United Nations.
Thank you.
Okay.
And now we'll begin the World Peace Flag Ceremony. Afghanistan.
Peace in Afghanistan.
Albania.
Peace in Albania.
Albania. Algeria.
Peace in Algeria.
Andorra.
Peace in Andorra.
Angola.
Peace in Angola.
Antigua and Barbuda.
Peace in
Antigua and Barbuda. Argentina.
Peace in
Argentina. Armenia.
Peace in Armenia.
Australia.
Peace in
Australia. Austria.
Peace in
Austria. Azerbaijan.
Peace in Azerbaijan.
The Bahamas.
Peace in the Bahamas.
Bahrain.
Peace in Bahrain.
Bangladesh.
Peace in Bangladesh.
Barbados.
Peace in Barbados.
Belarus.
Peace in Belarus.
Belgium.
Peace in Belgium.
Belize.
Peace in Belize.
Benin.
Peace in Benin.
Bhutan.
Peace in Bhutan.
Bolivia.
Peace in
Bolivia. Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Peace in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Botswana.
Peace in
Botswana. Brazil.
Peace in
Brazil. Brunei.
Peace in Brunei.
Bulgaria.
Peace in Bulgaria.
Burkina Faso.
Peace in Burkina Faso.
Burundi.
Peace in Burundi.
Cambodia.
Peace in Cambodia.
Cameroon. Cote d'Ivoire.
Peace in Cote d'Ivoire.
Croatia.
Peace in Croatia.
Cuba.
Peace in Cuba.
Cyprus.
Peace in Cyprus.
Czech Republic.
Peace in Czech
Republic. Denmark.
Peace in Denmark.
Djibouti.
Peace in Djibouti.
Dominica.
Peace in Dominica.
Dominican Republic.
Peace in
Dominican Republic. Ecuador.
Peace in Ecuador.
Egypt.
Peace in Egypt.
El Salvador.
Peace in El Salvador.
Equatorial Guinea. Peace in Equatorial Guinea. Eritrea.
Peace in Eritrea.
Estonia. Peace in Estonia. Ethiopia. Peace in Ethiopia. Fiji.
Peace in Fiji.
Finland.
Peace in Finland.
Germany.
Peace in Germany.
Ghana.
Peace in
Ghana. Greece.
Peace in Greece.
Grenada.
Peace in Grenada.
Guatemala. Indonesia. Peace in Indonesia.